Hello friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clearissa. Today's video is a small haul. I went out to do some Christmas shopping yesterday, and while Christmas shopping I decided to replenish some things that were used that were in my haul, and while I was out I also noticed that unfortunately the shelves are looking kind of sparse again. So I even picked up a few things that I really didn't need, but I thought were good items to add to what I already have. So I'm just going to run you through it. And let me say this, it's a Walmart haul. And everything is from Walmart. Oh, everything except one thing, because Walmart didn't have it anymore. So we stopped by Dollar General on our way home, and they happened to have one. And I'll point that out in just a second. But in the meantime, I'm going to flip the camera around and show you what I did pick up. Now, I'm not going to show my Christmas gifts because just in case people that I'm giving the gifts to may watch this video, I don't want them to get a heads up. So it's just going to be household items that you'll see in a minute. Okay, come on in and see what I bought.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight.
So guys, I'm going to start over here, and for my mom, I'm putting together a goodie box for her for Christmas. And she loves these, if you can see them, these chunky soups. So I bought 4 of them. I got her 2, well, I guess you don't care what I got her, but the creamy chicken dumpling, that looks really good. I might have to pick up a couple of those later for myself. I got the beef with vegetables, the pub style, what is this? I don't have my glasses. Pub style chicken and potato, pot pie, and a sirloin burger. So I picked her up 4 of those. I don't have a Swiffer, never used a Swiffer. I have my steamer for when I'm deep cleaning my floors, and I have an old-fashioned dust mop, and of course I have a broom. And that dust mop just seems to spread the dust around, so I thought I would try the Swiffer because it says it picks it up. I'm not going to wet my floors with it, but I thought I would replace my dust mop, and I hope it works. So I picked up one of those, and it was a good price. It was on, I guess it was on sale. I don't know, that could be the regular price. It was only $1.97, and it came with a kit. 7 of the floor wipes plus 3 of the interchangers, whatever that is. So I guess I'll see when I open it. But just in case it worked, I also picked up some refills of the floor wipes. Also for my mom, I got 2 of the instant lunch, hot and spicy. She says that at the center where she is, the food is sort of bland, so I thought that might give her a little flavor. I picked up an extra heavy duty Reynolds wrap to add to my prepper pantry. I picked up 2 ginger ales, and I love this stuff. I picked up a peppermint tea, and I wanted to try this salted caramel tea. We're not coffee drinkers, so we buy the flavored teas, and I wanted to try these 2, so I picked those up. And if you can see underneath there, I finally found some more of the candy cane ribbon, and even if I don't use it this year, it may come in handy next year. And it was only $3.98, and it is for 30 feet, so that's a lot of ribbon. To add to the prepper home, I guess, I had picked up 2 of the deodorants. It's a double pack. We're adding another spin brush and 2 more of the Sensodyne toothpaste. I picked up 1 of these. This was 94 cents, and you get 15. So I'm thinking they're not the thickest, but they'll do well. These plastic caps, I use them when I condition my hair and even when I color my hair. So I picked that up, and moving right along. For my mom, again, I picked up a Swiss Miss to go in her goodie box, and this Texas Pete hot sauce. She wanted spice, I'm giving her spice. I also picked up 2 of these little handy dandy salt and pepper shakers to send to her. We don't want the food bland because she's lost a lot of weight, so I'm trying to get her to eat. For our prepper pantry, I picked up another pack of the knee coats. And Walmart has a station now that has old-fashioned candy. And I mean, they had the old-fashioned things like the squirrel nuts and the sugar candy. I don't know what you call them, but they're all sugar sprinkled all over the top, and they come in different colors. But what we like are the caramels, so we picked up one of those. Picked up some tomatoes, adding another Listerine to our prepper. Picked this up for my mom. She's a coffee drinker, but she's not allowed to have a coffee pot per se, but she can make instant coffee in the microwave herself. They bring them coffee, but she wants her own. She's a real coffee drinker. So, you give mom what she wants. Picked up 2 of these because they've been hard to find. They're browning and seasoning sauce for gravies and that kind of thing, and stews. Been looked for it for Thanksgiving, couldn't find it. And Harris Teeter, the manager, my husband even asked the manager about it. I had him everywhere. And he said he had stopped seeing it, so Walmart had it. So I picked up 2. Picked up a small granulated sugar just to keep in the cabinet for teas and coffee. I use Trivia, but my husband likes real sugar. So I got one of those. We have sugar in the pantry, but this will be handy dandy, and it can go in the same cabinet with the teas and that kind of thing. Hot chocolates. Also picked up a small can of black olives, because they didn't have a large can of them already sliced. I have them in the pantry, but although pitted, I have to slice them. So I may go back and get a few more cans of these. Come in handy when you're making like taco salads, which I'm making tonight. So I thought it would be good. Picked up 2 of the Bounty, and people, let me tell you, the shelves were scarce again, so now might be a good time to stock up if you haven't been prepping. And they were totally out of the Charmin. They didn't have any at Walmart. So this is what we stopped by Dollar Gen and picked up to add to our stash. We got the Mega, 12 equals 48 rolls. And we have it in the house, but when its shelves start looking like that, I get a little antsy. So I added another. And since the shelves were looking like they were, I picked up 2 more Clorox. And that's it. So it was kind of it started out as a Christmas shopping trip for my husband and I, for the kids, to get their stuff out of the way. But when I saw the shelves, I decided to turn it into a little shopping for our home as well. So we picked up some things that we needed. I wish I could show you all the bargains and the good stuff that I got for gifts as well, but I think I better not do that. I don't want to give it away yet. So that's the haul, and that's the prepper part of it. So friends, as I said, it was going to be a small haul because a lot of what I bought were Christmas gifts and that kind of thing, and I didn't want to show those. But I did want to come on and show you my small haul, and I also wanted to advise you guys, because if you're like me, you're staying in most of the time and only going out when you have to or you need to. And we needed to go out and get our Christmas shopping done. I did a lot online, but some things I wanted to put my hands on. Like my mom likes really soft and fleecy jammies and little jogging pants and that kind of thing. So I wanted to look, and then she's so tiny right now, so I wanted to go out and kind of hold things up and make sure they fit her okay. So we went out, and for the kids too, pick up a few things. So, but the shelves, let me say again, and I know I sound repetitive, but I want you guys to know that they're looking sort of scarce again. I think we're in for another shortage of certain things, and maybe in some areas even a complete shutdown. They're not talking shutdown where we are right now, but they are talking making it mandatory, not just a suggestion, to wear masks everywhere you go, even in your own home if people come over that don't live with you. That was on the news the other night. And they're also talking about places that are not considered essential, either making the hours shorter or the amount of people shorter, whatever. I think it's about to change again. So be prepared, get prepared, stay prepared. So I just wanted to bring this little haul to you and to bring that info to you just in case you're like me and you stay in a lot and you're not aware that things are getting shorter, shorter supply. So if you're new here, welcome. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and although it was a short haul, trust me, we have larger hauls here. We do crafting, we do DIYing, we decorate for sure, and we do organization, and we do the occasional recipe as well. We cook, we clean, so it's a lifestyle channel, and we try to bring it all to you. So hit that subscribe button, and once you do, hit that bell below so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. Also, if you're new to my channel and you're a new friend, let me say this to you, that I see you, and I'm so grateful and so happy that you've decided to join our little family. We're happy you're here, and we hope that you'll stick and stay and come back often. And for my ride or dies, as usual, you know how I feel about you. I love you, I love you, I love you. And I thank you, and I'm grateful for you, for going on this journey with me, and for sticking and staying and being loyal. I appreciate you. And so, friends, I'm going to remind you to find something today in your life that brings you joy. And I'm going to leave you the way that I always do, with lots of love, hugs, and blessings. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Looking at you all night, put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night, put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful, you're beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable, like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful, you know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out, you're beautiful.